Hi, it's Dr. Aaron Smiley with a quick message as we push out the dues renewal this year. We do it with a definite sense of sensitivity, knowing the economic times that we're walking into. But in uncertain times like these, I think your membership in the IVMA has more value than ever. I just want to run through a couple things that the IVMA has done in the past and what we're looking to do in the future. IVMA worked with the governor's office to make sure that veterinary medicine was considered an essential business during this pandemic. It's a big deal to keep our communities safe, to keep animal agriculture safe, to keep our food supply safe. That was the IVMA. The IVMA worked again with the state legislature to expedite licenses for new grads. There was a bureaucratic snag, and IVMA made calls to be able to unlock that snag so that new graduates can get their license in the state of Indiana. IVMA has worked in the past to be able to get the expansion at Purdue of the new hospital. It's going to be great, but that was definitely IVMA working in concert with Purdue College of Veterinary Medicine to lobby the General Assembly to get that expansion so that we can continue to have a premier institution here in the state of Indiana. And lastly, IVMA within days of the pandemic lockdown, IVMA was educating members on how to integrate telemedicine. We led the way in that. Other states were trying to put things together, but IVMA was ready with the technology to show members how to do that. In the future, because we know that someday this pandemic will pass, and so what are we looking to do in the future? Power of 10 continues. It's an excellent feeder program of leadership for veterinarians in the Hoosier State. I'm a graduate of it, and I think almost all of the executive or the Board of Governors is part of that Power of 10 program. We're looking to launch a Power of Business. As we move into a probable recession, how can we provide value to members by helping them work with cash flow in times that are a little bit tighter? IVMA continues to work on InSpecs. This is a program that we feel like we will be part of the solution for the opioid epidemic, but it's vital that we get it right for veterinarians because there's a lot of caveats that are different for veterinary medicine than human medicine, and know that IVMA is actively working to make sure that you don't get snagged down in bureaucratic red tape when you're trying to report and keep Hoosiers safe. Then lastly, we're going to do a full review of the Practice Act. Dr. Jerry Risser is heading up that task force, and that's intentional, proactive approach to be able to secure your rights as a veterinarian in the state of Indiana and make sure that you have the economic opportunities as we move through with different technologies to preserve the right to practice and then also to increase your opportunity as a veterinarian. So thank you for your membership and the support of the profession. And I look forward as far as to you renewing your membership. Know that you can do that in two ways. You can pay it all in full, or Lisa has also created a program that allows you to pay it over months. Thank you. Stay safe. Can't wait to see you soon.